What is it doing, Greta?
It's going up on you.
Oh no, it's gonna get me! Ah! Ha ha ha! Ha ha ha!
Greta, stay.
She thinks it's so funny. It's gonna get you! Ah!
Flip it. Facing you.
No, don't get me! Ah! Here it comes! Ah! Ha ha ha! Ha 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 ha! Have it chase Greta. It's gonna get you, Greta. Ah! No, don't touch it, Greta. Don't touch it. Ah, it's getting you! Ha 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 ha! Ha 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 ha!
Facing
Ah!
situation. I'm on a situation.
It's like a standoff. Ah! Greta, move your foot. Ah, it's gonna get you, Greta. Well, she was fixing it. She knows how to do it.
Out of situation. I'm running away.
It's running away from Greta.
No.
Oh, this coughing is killing me. Ugh. It's so cute, the expression on her face. Especially when she first sees it. She like claps her hands over her mouth and like gets all like excited and happy. Ooh, now it's up high. Alright, this coughing is very annoying. I'm gonna turn it off. Turn this off now. Oh no, don't do it, don't do it. Life is worth living. Don't jump.
That is awesome.
Oh, I want to look at these Orbeez. Look at these Orbeez. Bloop, bloop. It's like Jello. Isn't that crazy? It's like gelatin balls or something, tapioca balls. And this is what they look like when they start. This is what they start off looking like. See how teeny they are? They're like little beads. You put them in water, and they expand. There's 42,000 of them in here. We only used like 2 tablespoons to create that entire bowl.
It's gonna get you.
No! Ah! The big sumo wrestler! Greta, help! She's like, whatever. I'm over it. Hi. Bye.
Let's get